Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create a community and engage with people on Reddit. If you wondered how to create a community on Reddit, or if you wondered how all these posts are being seen by you and how you want to engage with others and invite friends there, I'll teach you now. It's a really simple process. At first, you need to go into Reddit app, and after this page pops up or the home page pops up, you need to find your profile icon, which will be at the top right corner right here. So you need to click on that, and here you'll see many options, but among these you need to click on create a community, as we are creating a community. So after that, you need to enter name of your community. I'm gonna write login giants. So this is available, so you can see here. So what is the community type? There are many settings you can do, such as public, restricted, or private. If you want to make it public, you need to click on the top one. If you want it restricted, you can only approve some members that you want to post it. You can click on the middle one, and if you want it private, you can click on private. I want a public one, so I'm clicking on public. If it's an 18 plus community, you need to click on this and make it blue, and if it's not, you need to click on this and make it white. So after clicking on this create community button, which is on blue right here, your community will be created in just a few seconds. So here you can see my community has already been created, and now here you can post your first post, such as link, image, video, text, poll, and many more on Reddit. So this is my community, login giants, and if you guys want to join this community, you are free to join it, and you can even make posts, comments, or anything you'd like in this community. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.